Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to link Dead by Daylight Epic Games to Steam. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to your web browser and go to Dead by Daylight website. So you can do this either on your computer or your phone. Simply go to www.deadbydaylight.com and you will arrive at the game's website in here. And guys, this will be their homepage. And the first thing that you will do is when you go to the top right corner, you have this little icon, tap on it, and then from there you will be redirected to behavior account. So guys, you have to log in into your account, or if you don't have one, just create one in order to access this feature. And guys, first thing that you will do is go to sync gaming account at the top. And then from here, guys, you will have an option to link your account. So guys, just simply tap on the link over here, and from there you'll be able to link your Dead by Daylight game into your Steam. And then from there, when you click on link, just log in into your account and just provide the necessary information, and from there you'll be able to link your account. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.